Hi friends and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market price in the Alicante region for properties. And today friends, we are starting once again at the Los Locos beach. As you can see behind me, we have the Los Locos beach, the sandy beach of Los Locos, one of the most popular beaches here in Torrevieja. Children's area, we have some bars, restaurants, some very good restaurants here close by. And today friends, I'm presenting you a new apartment, ground floor, one bedroom. Is a business as a business because it's rented already 12 months and it's generating a lot of money to the owners. And I'm presenting you this one bedroom apartment for 135,000 euros. Okay, it's a semi one bed apartment because it's actually a studio and they made a one bed apartment of that. But it's like a new build, you will see, and it's only 50 to 100 meters away exactly from this place. And yeah, top location, good price for the current market realities. I know if you've seen our channel like 4 years ago, you could buy properties here for actually for this price was 3 bedrooms, but the current market reality is different. So this is actually a good offer because nowadays you're buying a one bed apartment for 110, 120,000 euros unrenovated, and this is completely new, everything inside. You'll be amazed because I think it's a good offer in the current market situation. And now let's go inside, follow me. And before we will start the video, don't forget I made my own channel, Vadim Nai, so you will find the link down below in the description or also somewhere here on the left side on the top. So subscribe to the channel. I'm giving you more expert opinions on my channel about the market, the current situation and luxury properties. So subscribe to the channel, make sure you watch the latest videos to see also our business, our Airbnb business and also the current market situation. So subscribe, don't forget, on my channel, down below the link. Okay, we are, as I said, at one of the best possible locations to buy actually property in Torrevieja. We have here the Habaneros Avenue, which is pretty popular within tourists because you have everything what you need actually here on the street, bars, restaurants, Mercadona, well, Consum, Mercadona is higher down below to the bus station, but anyway, we are located directly at the Los Locos beach where we started the video. And the property is here, it's a ground floor apartment, and actually, yeah, the location speaks for itself. You have supermarket here. You go on the right side after 50 to 100 meters, you're at the Los Locos beach in Torrevieja. So top location, and now let's go inside. You'll find an amazing new apartment for me. This apartment is offering a small balcony, but it's only one negative point it has. It's only that it's a ground floor apartment. But anyway, if you're coming for vacation or if you rent this out, it's actually working very good on booking.com and Airbnb. So basically this is not a problem. You have some privacy through this. You're in a very centric area. No one is watching over you because you have some protection. Here you have a nice size, yeah, small balcony. You can dry your stuff and you can drink your coffee in the morning. Okay, let's go inside. It's number 1. We're going inside and you're directly in a very spacious living area with air conditioning, and you have actually enough space. It's bright because the apartment is offering enough space. It's yeah, has a lot of lights. You have a big kitchen and it actually has many square meters. I think it's in between 50 to 60 square meters as I should remember, but I need to check. So if you're interested, you can ask me, I will send you the plan. So here's a big kitchen with all amenities, all white goods, dining area, and behind this living area we have the sleeping area, which is divided by a wall in between the kitchen and the wardrobe. So a very good, yeah, a very good apartment to rent out actually. Bathroom with washing machine and shower, so actually very spacious. It's not small. Okay, so I'm here inside and I feel that actually I have space. So I have space over here. You have a nice bathroom which is spacious. You have a lot of space to store your stuff. So actually a very nice one bedroom apartment or studio apartment with a bedroom without a window. Back there we have no window. So actually I would say a good price, 135,000 euros, because in the current market condition you will first of all not find anything renovated or so close to the beach or like new build looking, because you're now buying one bed new build for 170, 180. So I think 135 to rent out at the beach as an investment may be actually something good. Okay, but anyway, consult this before If you, whatever you want to do with it, you want to rent it out, I can send you the numbers that this apartment generated the last year because it's on booking.com. So yeah, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, don't forget. Like this video, and I see you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.